An often asked question is enumerate the differences between SMR and septoplasty. Let us have a look. When there is a deviation of the nasal septum of the cartilaginous component behind the cartilage line, the surgery is SMR, wherein the deflected septum is resected, leaving a caudal and a dorsal strut. Therefore, this is a radical surgery. However, in septoplasty, the deflected segment is not removed. Cross-hatching incisions are made so that the memory of the cartilage is broken, and therefore this is a conservative procedure. The septum contains a growth center that continues to grow till the age of 18 years and therefore should not be resected less than that age, and therefore septum SMR is not done below 18 years, whereas below 18 years the surgery is septoplasty. The incision for SMR is Killian's incision, which is a few millimeters behind the anterior edge of the cartilage. In septoplasty, it is a Freer's incision. Anterior deviations are dealt by septoplasty, whereas it cannot be dealt by SMR. Bilateral mucoperichondrium is elevated in SMR, whereas in septoplasty, it's only on one side. There is a removal of the quadrilateral deflected cartilage, leaving behind a dorsal and a caudal strut, whereas in SMR, only an inferior strip of cartilage is removed. Cross-hatching incisions are made so that the deflected septum clicks back into position. A rhinoplasty incision cannot be combined with an SMR, whereas in septoplasty it can be combined. Since it is a radical surgery, revision surgeries are difficult, whereas revision surgeries here are relatively easy. Because a large part of the septal cartilage is removed, the graft can be harvested for later dorsal reconstruction or other surgeries. It cannot be harvested. Because it is a gross surgery, some complications are often. What are they? Septal hematoma, septal abscess, septal perforation, flapping septum. All these are common or can occur in SMR, whereas rare in septoplasty. Let us revise again. Septoplasty is a conservative procedure, can be done after 4 years. The incision is Freer's incision. It can correct an anterior deviation. Only on one side the mucoperichondrium flap is elevated. Only an inferior strip of cartilage is removed. A rhinoplasty incision can be combined. Revision surgery is easy, and a cartilage graft cannot be harvested. Complications are rare. Whereas in SMR, it's a radical surgery. The deflected segment is removed, leaving behind a dorsal and a caudal strut. It cannot be done less than 18 years. Killian's incision is what is done. It cannot correct an anterior deviation. Bilateral mucoperichondrial flaps are elevated. There is radical removal in the cartilage. Rhinoplasty incision cannot be combined. Revision surgery is difficult. Cartilage graft can be harvested. Complications are common. The differences between SMR and septoplasty.